Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TS-048. Here's another Ford Tech Tip. This time we're talking the 2002 to 2005 Excursion and the 2002 to 2006 Super Duty F-Series pickup and the symptom of a no-start condition. So what could be the cause of this no-start condition? Well, it could simply be due to a broken or corroded bolt on the battery terminal, either the positive or negative side. For the solution, you simply want to replace only the bolt and the nut. Do not replace the entire harness. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.